Hello everybody, today we're just doing a small patch in a kitchen. Looks like they lowered a receptacle. They put this special dimming receptacle in that kind of pops out. So with this we're going to kind of struggle with it because it's such a tight work area, such a small patch. Trying to work around the detail around the light switch box. Then we got the backsplash cabinet on top, and then the trim work, wood trim work to the left. So it's kind of a tight work area. So it's really hard to do these tight spots with mudding. You're just going to take your time with stuff like this. A lot of detail work. It's not like we're just doing a flat patch on a nice open wall. We're working around all this detail stuff. So sometimes this detail small jobs take more time than it would have took me to probably hang a whole sheet of drywall. The simple process of this, we're just going to get everything scraped up. On this, there's a stud to the right, so I'm going to cut back center of the stud. This area has been patched many times, so it's going to be really hard for me to dig down and cut center the stud, cut back the sheetrock. So yeah, it's definitely a struggle, especially when you're trying to patch in old patchworks and the areas are tight. So that's why I'm doing a video on this. You'll just see the process. A little more time's involved to do it correctly. Such a deep patch, it's going to take 2 good coats on this, and then we're just going to follow through with a brush crow's foot type texture. It's just regular joint compound put on, and we use a brush to kind of daub. There's many names for it: daub texture, brush texture, crow's foot. Just depends where you are, what you want to call it. So everybody has a name for it, and everybody has another name for it, but just the basic brush texture is what we're doing here. But yeah, simple video, just getting it all patched in. So go ahead and watch and learn. Thank you.